In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Beehiiv newsletter templates. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable framework that saves time and keeps your brand consistent across every send. Start by opening your browser and heading to appa.beehiiv.com. Once you're in your dashboard, go to the newsletter section. This is your home base for creating and managing content. From here, open the template library. Think of the library as your shortcut. Instead of rebuilding layouts and sections from scratch, you'll start with a foundation that's already structured, which makes drafting faster and more consistent. Choose any draft you want to use as your base. This draft becomes your reusable framework, the layout, structure, and recurring sections you rely on, like intros, feature highlights, sponsor placements, or calls to action. When it opens, give your template a clear, descriptive title. Use a naming convention that's easy to scan later, like Weekly Roundup template or Product Update template. Right below the title, add a concise subtitle. This is a quick note that clarifies where or when the template should be used. For example, for announcements and quick links. Subtitles help you and your teammates grab the right template at a glance. Next, move to the audience settings. Here you'll confirm who this newsletter will go to when it's used. If you typically send to a particular segment, set that preference now so it's pre-selected every time. This helps prevent accidental sends to the wrong list and keeps targeting consistent. When you're ready, click Next to continue. If prompted, choose yourself where applicable, such as the author or sender identity. This ensures the from details reflect your brand, which maintains recognition and trust with subscribers. Then click Next again. You'll land on the review screen. Take a moment to proof the template thoroughly. Double-check headlines, placeholder text, and recurring blocks like intros, sponsor mentions, or your final call to action. Test every link so subscribers land exactly where you expect. Make sure images, spacers, and dividers feel balanced. And preview on mobile to confirm spacing and font sizes are easy to read. A few extra minutes here prevents mistakes from repeating every time you reuse the template. When everything looks good, click Schedule. Set the date and time for sending, and align with your audience's time zone and typical engagement window. You can adjust the time zone if needed so delivery happens exactly when you expect. If you're ready to send immediately instead, click Publish Now. Confirm when prompted, and your newsletter goes out right away or at the scheduled time, depending on your choice. That's it. You accessed the newsletter section, opened the template library, selected a draft, added a clear title and subtitle, confirmed your audience and sender details, reviewed everything, and then either scheduled or published. With this workflow, you'll have a polished, reusable Beehiiv template ready whenever you need it.